Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be cooking my delicious chicken quesadilla. And when I say it's delicious. So you'll definitely love it. Alright, here we got chicken, spinach, cheese. This is the type of cheese I like to use. It melts pretty easy and it's delicious. Lemon pepper, earth balanced butter, organic, salsa, fat-free oil, and of course the tortilla. So let's get started. Alright, the first step you want to do is get your stuff ready. Alright, so here we got two pans, one for the chicken, one for the tortilla. With the tortilla one, you want to put it on low because you don't want to burn the tortilla. And for the chicken, you want to put it in medium. And after that, we're going to spray this fat-free oil on the chicken pan. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and season the chicken. Okay, moving on to the second step. Here we have our chicken breast. I'm going to go ahead and season it with lemon pepper. Put as much as you want. Now, even though it's a street meal, it still has good protein on it, so we're still maintaining the gains. Okay? Alright, now that the oil is warmed up, we're going to go ahead and place the chicken in the pan. So while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and get the tortilla ready. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place the tortilla in the pan so it can go ahead and warm up. We're going to warm it up for, I'll say maybe about a minute, and then flip it, and then a minute as well. Now don't forget, you do have to season the other side of the chicken. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take that tortilla. It's warm enough. While the chicken's still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. And go ahead and add all the ingredients on it. So now we're going to go ahead and add the cheese on there. And while we add in the cheese, you can add as much as you want. We're going to go ahead and move into adding spinach. Now we're still, even though it's a cheat meal, you still want to include your greens on it. And that's pretty much it. Let's not forget about the chicken. Let's go ahead and flip it so it can be cooked the same on both sides. Alright, so now that the chicken is done, we're going to go ahead and bring it over here. And then we're going to chop it up into little pieces. Alright, now with that we pretty much cut the chicken. We're going to go ahead and add it to the tortilla. Alright guys, the most important step of everything, once we close the tortilla, is the butter, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add the butter. Make sure you add the butter on the outside of the tortilla, not the inside. This is what's gonna make the the quesadilla taste delicious. And don't forget to add the butter. Last thing. So we just got done adding the butter to it. You want to place this side face down so that way the pan can go ahead and toast it and cook it. Okay, so while one side is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add the butter on the other side. So both sides can taste the same. Cook equal. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and flip it. Be careful guys because it has a lot of stuff inside. And we're going to let the other side cook. Alright, our quesadilla is done. This is the color you want it to look like. Nice and toasted. We're going to go ahead and place the quesadilla this over here. And then we're going to cut it into 4 little pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and place it here. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this salsa to it. And that's what you want your quesadilla to look like. Alright guys, this is how I like my quesadilla. Try it. If you like it, comment below. If you don't like it, comment as well. Let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this right now. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym, make more gains. See y'all.